Well, today's traveling day. We're going to be moving from Quartzsite, Arizona over to Surprise, Arizona, so we can get ready to start our new baseball job, which is coming up here real quick. So I thought I'd give you a show on how to get ready to go. Here we go. So the first thing is we've got to get the slide out in.
When retracting slide out room, separate driving seat is forward.
We have to help pull it in a little bit because it's a first generation older one. It's just easier on the motors. Make sure the awning's winding in, which it is. Just makes it a little bit easier on the motor. Takes the strain off by kind of giving it a pull. Takes up quite a bit of space. And now you let go of it. And it locks in and drops back. So now we're in. This is how big our motorhome is with our slide out in. Not too bad. We can walk around here no problem. Okay. So I got to put the locks on and then we'll go outside. So on these older RVs, you have these old lockers. This keeps it from coming out the next time you're going around the corner. If you ever watch the movie RV with Robin Williams, when they first take off and they go around they make the sharp right hand turn, if you watch, you'll see the slide out at the top pop out. It just laid out. Okay. All right. Here we go. We gotta get the water out of this first. Hey.
Morning.
And there's Iris. Film Iris.
Hi, Iris.
She's our favorite campground girl. She takes care of it. She takes care of it. All right. A little gray water there. It's fun. The best part of RVing is playing with the filler hoses. So now, I'm not going to get crazy with this because one of them's going to go right back on. This is not going to put in the right. I got to turn the water off. So I was going to put a little bit in here real quick. It's off there. Yeah, we don't need much. That's probably enough. Just enough to flush the toilets. Alright. See if I can get this unhooked now. Sure get a lot of buildup on these, don't you?
Yeah, a lot of
salt
calcium and salt and stuff in the water and Quartzsite.
And then just the electrical city, and then we hook up the car. Like I say, I'm not going to put that hose all where I usually put it.
Yeah.
And these are cool little deals right here. I use these all the time on everything. This kind of holds them together so that you can put them where you need to put them. hoses in. This is all turned off. That's good, that's good. Everything's in where it's at. These are all shut off. Everything's ready to go. That's done. Next, the electrical. Another unit, if you don't have it, you need to get it right here. It's called a surge protector, and they save your electronics. We just had to replace that, and that was not a cheap little deal.
What did you replace?
The inverter.
How expensive was it?
Well, we kind of got a special deal because we worked at a RV dealer. Normally it would have probably been about anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000. Did all the work myself and it cost us about 800 bucks. That's why I say a lot of this RV and stuff, if you go on the road and you have no knowledge at all and you think you're going to survive, I wish you luck, because it's not as easy as it looks. These companies, these RV stores, we actually found a pretty good RV store here the other day over by where that car place was that we went to. That, I mean, they actually cared about the people that were traveling and that were here. They went out of their way to try to help you out. I've worked at RV places where it was all about the bottom line, how they could separate you from your cash. And I don't particularly care for people that do that. I think you can make money and help people. I don't think you have to gouge your eyes out and send them down the road. All right, well, let's fire it up and see if it'll run. We've already checked our oil levels and everything is good. Tire pressure, all those items need to be checked, especially after you've been sitting for a while. And then we start with a little prayer. And now we're going to give her a whirl. That beeping noise, that's low oil pressure and low air pressure. We got oil pressure and now we're building air pressure. It's going to come up to 60 and then that'll quit beeping.
60 what?
Pounds.
Of air pressure, yeah?
Once it gets to 60, it quits beeping. So that's that. We're up to air pressure. Now I just want to feel it lift up off the levelers a little bit. And then we'll drop the levelers. We'll raise them, I should say. Everything's charging. Everything looks good. I love having this little gauge right here. I can
Which one?
compare. This one right here, that's telling me what my truck batteries are at. That's telling me what my volt, right, alternator's charging at. All right, now let's see if we can. Let me do a walk around out here and make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to do. And this is our little Patriot brake powered unit. Applies the brakes when I apply the brakes in the motorhome. It's in its setup mode right now. Goes through this cycles 3 times and then we should be ready to roll. Everything's in neutral, brakes off, keys in the release position. Okay, looks good. We're going to turn this down to like 3. Here we are. That's what it looks like when we're all hooked up. So there's our rig right there. There's our friends. We're getting ready to head to Surprise to do baseball. Little campground's kind of emptying out. There's basically one camper here now, other than the locals that stay here all year round. All right. Of course, I got my Blue Ox back, and unfortunately, they did not finish the job, so I had to finish putting the thing together for them. I'm kind of a little discouraged with Blue Ox. Another part of the trip today, of course, it always has to involve lunch. So we're making some hot dogs and getting some soda pops. And we're here at a rest stop, just kind of hanging out, watching all the RVs go by. Just kind of hanging out here, having fun. Checked on the RV, everything's working good, running good. It's always fun when everything works. Works perfectly. Nice day on the desert. It's wonderful. See what we got here. We got all kinds of RVs here. We got a van with a boat, and a Class C without a boat. Yep. Looking good there. Lots of trucks. Lots of trucks in the rest areas. Generator going. We don't have one of them quiet generators. That's not our generator. But it's not too bad. And it works great. So that's what it's all about. Fill up with Sony's. Take a little break. Anyway, this is what it looks like to me when I'm driving. This is when I sit and see. Let me turn on the thing here. There's my backup camera and my GPS, all my gauges. Looking out over the open road. Good deal. And voila! The tires are covered.
All right.
People are going to be excited here pretty soon because they're actually going to get to experience work camping. Because we're going to be going to our next job after we take a little over a month off. And they're going to get to actually see us old folks actually work.
If that's what you want to call it.
Yeah. So now I got to get my ladder out. People won't believe I have a giant ladder in here, but I do. She can hand me stuff. This is for the windshield. Okay. These are for everywhere else. So once that's done, we're done. So we're set up. Okay.
Let's go the sunshades.
These things, they work good.
What was it?
We're just gonna
shades up so I can video. Writing and rolling, YouTube. Look for the link.
Alright, never mind. Yes. I gotta hold out. I gotta go to the bathroom. Okay, so first of all, it's gotta kind of go past this. And use this. Now, out. Boy, it's the worst I've ever had, Nana. What you're doing there.
Don't. Somebody's not giving me directions.
Yeah, don't hook it yet.
Stretch
I gotta do the top.
I'll just hold it over here.
Yeah, you should just be able to let that go.
My garbage bin.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and give us a thumbs up. Thanks very much.